tractor. Here you go. Here we go. You got anything good? Found anything? Here you go, it's found.
Look what we found. The London Riots versus the Hunter Brothers in a weapons match of progress. You guys wanted a weapons match. Well, it looks like you're going to have your hands full now.
Riots, in reference what you said for yourselves, you talk about paying your dues, like you're the only people who ever have to work hard for anything. Well, quite frankly, whatever your problem is, we don't care. What you should be more concerned about is what the Hunter Brothers are going to do to the London Riots this Sunday at Progress Wrestling.
You're going to learn a lot about the Hunter Brothers, because right now the only thing you know about us is that we're not afraid of the riots.